Sairam ma'am.
Sairam everyone. Sairam Tanisha, Sairam Raghav, Sairam Vion, Catherine, Raghav again, Sarthak, Sarakshi, Zenvil, Laksh, Rishika, Anumega, Renuka, Harsh, Roshni, Zenvil, Krishna, Agrima, Arpita, Shukra. All of you, Sairam. Let me not waste the time. And yesterday, what did I tell? I will start the written part, isn't it? So today, as per your half-yearly course, we are going to begin with letter writing. Okay? Yes, Shubhra, thank you. Letter writing, and I don't.
What is the
Yes,
syllabus?
better you will get the syllabus in 1 or 2 days. Most probably today evening or tomorrow. We will get it on WhatsApp. Okay? Don't get panicked. Whatever we have studied, from that only it will come. Okay? And it is your first time also, and it is my first time also. So all the teachers are doing online first time here. So don't get scared. मार्क्स के लिए नहीं हम पढ़ रहे, हम इसलिए पढ़ रहे हैं कि हमें समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं. ठीक है? Okay, fine. And so I won't waste time, and I will directly come to the. And I hope you people are having your copy in front of you, so to note down the points and all. Very carefully watch this video, okay?
Grammarly can help you write quickly and confidently, so you never have to slow down at work. Stay on top of emails.
Hello friends, welcome to Free Writing Lessons. In this video, understand what is letter writing. Then we will look into the different types of letters. And finally, we will understand the format of letter writing with a sample example. So without a further ado, let's get started. What is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another, generally via post. Let me give you an example to understand it. Suppose there is a person who wants to provide certain important information to another person in written form. Then he will write the message in a paper. Now this paper is called a letter. He will deliver this letter to a post office and provide the address of receiver. And then the post office will deliver the letter to the receiver. So the primary purpose of a letter is communication in written form. Now let's look into different types of letter. Letters are mainly divided into two types: formal letter and informal letter. So what a formal letter contains? The formal letter is written for business or professional purposes with a specific objective in mind. It uses simple language that can be easy to read and interpret. Formal letters are written to government departments or businesses instead of a known individual. Now, what are informal letters? The informal letter is written for personal communication. It uses casual or emotional tone. Informal letters are written to a friend or close family member instead of businesses or government. In this video, we will understand how to write a formal letter. Let's first understand the format of a formal letter. A formal letter must have 8 things in it. Number 1, sender's detail. Here, the sender's name and address comes, and he is the one who is writing a letter. Number 2, date on which the letter is written. Suppose you are writing the letter on 26th January 2020. You can write in this way, 26th January 2020. This is the most common format used. You can use this format. Number 3 is the receiver's detail. Here, receiver's name and address comes, and he is the one who is receiving a letter and for whom the letter is written. Number 4, salutation. A salutation is a greeting used in a letter. Generally, we use dear followed by the recipient's given name. If the name is unknown, we use sir or madam. Number 5, subject. It is used so that the reader immediately knows what the letter is about. Number 6, body. The body of the letter contains the actual message. It is usually divided into 3 subcategories: introduction, main content, and summary. The introduction paragraph states the purpose of the letter. The main content conveys all the necessary details, and the last paragraph summarizes the information provided. 7th is complimentary close. It is a way to end the letter. It basically means goodbye in general terms. Yours faithfully if we don't know the person who we are writing the letter, and yours sincerely if we know the person we are writing the letter. 8th point is sender's name, signature, and designation. Here, the name of the sender, his or her signature comes. Designation can also be added when required. So this is the exact format. Let's revise the format again. Step number 1 is to write sender's detail. Step number 2 is to write the date on which the letter is written. Step 3 is to write receiver's detail. Step 4 is the salutation. Step 5 is subject of the letter. Step 6 is the body of letter. Step 7 is complimentary close. And step 8 is sender's name and signature. Here, designation can also be added.
Okay, can anyone tell me there is one small change in this, what we follow? It can be either Vyom, Shubhra, anyone? Can you tell? This is the format of a formal letter, isn't it? One second, I'll increase. Yes, who is speaking?
Ma'am, the subject is before salutation.
Ma'am, body.
One second, Shubhra was telling something correct, I think. Where's Shubhra?
Subject is before salutation.
No. This is the right one. Here, do you see date comes over here? Who is the receiver? Like you're writing the letter to the principal, the official letters which you write, applications, those are what? Those are formal letters, isn't it? Formal में है ना? Yes, it is formal. So यहाँ पर receiver कौन हुआ? आप अगर letter principal को लिख रहे हो तो? Principal, very good. Okay. First you write to the principal. Nowadays we don't write even to directly the principal, Shri Satyasai Vidya Vihar, Gale, Vijaypur. Okay. After that you leave one line, and then what you write? Date. Yaad aaya? I hope you have your copy also in front of you to cross check. Right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? Date receiver के बाद आता है. Sender कौन हो? You are the sender. If I'm saying you are Ashish of class 7th, write a letter. So Ashish's address will come here. Sender. आप sender हो और receiver जिसको आप लिख रहे हो. If you're writing to the class teacher, the receiver is the class teacher. Okay? So here, am I right or not? Shubhra, I'm right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if you want to note this quickly, you can note. If you already know it, fine. इसमें example भी लिखा है कि what is complimentary clause? Your faithfully या sincerely. हम sincerely लिखते हैं. Why? Because we know the person. इसने कितने अच्छे से explain किया. Faithfully उसको लिखते हैं जिसको हम नहीं जानते. और if you know the person, then sincerely. And always remember जो format होता है when you write a formal letter, it is to the point. बहुत ज़्यादा maximum 2 paragraphs. I have taught both these classes. 7th A also I was teaching in 5th A. So even that time, if you remember, I used to tell you कि बहुत ही गिने चुने शब्दों में, नपे तुले जिसको कहते हैं ना, शब्दों में आप एप्लीकेशन लिखते हो. बहुत ज्यादा हमको गप्पे नहीं मारनी होती. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, जब आप अपने फ्रेंड, किसी को भी, रिलेटिव, एनीवन, कजन, एनीवन यू राइट, यू कैन राइट 10 पैराग्राफ्स आल्सो, नो प्रॉब्लम. Okay, and this is the change. Is in 6B also remembers कि salutation पहले dear sir आता है, फिर subject आता है. Previously subject इधर था, but जो नया format है उसमें subject salutation के बाद आता है. And these is hardly for 4 or 5 words, to the point. Okay.
When required. Now, let's use the format and understand how to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper on the issue of bad condition of roads in your locality. First step is to write the sender's detail. Let's say the sender's details are I-585 Ashray, opposite Nishant School, Ahmedabad. Now, second step is to write the date of writing the letter. Let's say it is
I've come back to this because I don't want to show you that the date is coming in front. Okay, I have got many examples in front of me. Okay, so what I'll do, see, this is the formal letter. So I would request all of you to please note down this letter, one sample. Now it is 1:40. I'm giving you 5 minutes to note down this letter neatly in your copy. Okay. The question is, Anumega, can you read the question?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Write an application to the principal of your school for increasing library facilities.
Okay, fine. And don't write answer. That word answer you can omit. You can directly start from the principal. See, this is the format which we follow. Address of the principal, then you can leave one line. One line is not left over here. Then write the date. Okay, and here you can write 2020, and you can write today's date if you want. Then leave one line, respected sir. For principal, you can always write respected sir. If you're writing to the class teacher, you can write dear madam. Okay, then leave one line, subject, and then you can start this neatly in 2 paragraphs. And last, you can leave one line again, thanking you, yours faithfully. Instead of faithfully, you can write sincerely also. The best word is sincerely actually. Yours sincerely. And remember, only the Y of yours is capital. And here there's one more mistake if you see carefully. Thanking you. The Y should be small over here. This U ka Y should be small. Okay? And
what is the school name?
You can change the school name. You can write your school's name. But remember, marks will be deducted if you're writing SSSVV in small. If you write GAIL, GAIL, listen to me first. GAIL का अगर आप GAIL capital, सारे capital होंगे because it is in abbreviation. G capital और AIAL small लिखोगे तो marks कटेंगे. You people are in 7th standard. The correction will be very tough. तो प्रैक्टिस आप कुछ करनी है रोज. एक एप्लीकेशन लिखिए और पुरानी एप्लीकेशन से चेक कीजिए. Okay, write down this quickly in 5 minutes. I'll increase the size.
मैम
Yes, tell beta. Yes, beta, tell.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you said that the school's name is in capital letters, so the principal's name is also in capital letters.
No, no, no. The principal तो सही लिखा है, बिल्कुल सही है. Capital letters, I mean only the first letter, S S S V V. आप भूल गए क्या 7th तक? You should. I don't write the full name of the school. ये तो छोटा नाम है, हमारे स्कूल का नाम बहुत बड़ा है ना बेटा. Just write the principal S S S V V. नीचे गेल, कमा, विजयपुर. Remember, if in the question it is given the school's name, तो आपको वही use करना है. अगर question, if you want bracket, you can write MP. But this thing should not be more than 4 lines. Then leave 1 line, then date. And इसी style में. You can write, like today is 20th, you can write 20th TH ऊपर, August AU, full you write August, and 2020. Or you can write like this, in this format.
मैम कैन यू स्क्रॉल डाउन?
Don't write head boy, okay? Because you people are general students. In the video also you saw that the person told that if you have a designation, then you can write. Means if you are the class monitor or you are the head girl or head boy or prefect of the some house, then you can write your designation. But you don't have that. Yes, you can write, and you should write your full name. Don't write your first name over here. There's another mistake. Like if I'm writing Vyom, I will write Vyom Nikra. I'll write full name. And under that you can write 7th A. So that the principal comes to know this application is from a student of 7th A.
मैम
Yes.
मैम जैसे क्लास लिखी जाती है तो मतलब कई बार हम लोग रोमन नंबर में लिखते हैं, लेकिन क्या हम 7A करके लिख सकते हैं मतलब नंबर में?
It's preferably you should write in Roman. अगर गलत भी नहीं होता है, then you should write 7 and TH ऊपर.
ओके मैम.
Okay. I hope Rudra is also noting down this letter.
मैम
Yes.
मैम जो हमने चैप्टर्स को लिखा है कॉपी में, उन्हें आपको सेंड करना है या मिनी मैम को?
नहीं बेटे, सेंड नहीं करना है, आप अपने आप चेक कर लो, क्योंकि मैं तो नहीं चेक कर पाऊंगी. मेरी आंखों में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है और डॉक्टर ने भी मना किया है. आजकल हम पूरा दिन नेट पे बैठे रहते हैं, क्योंकि ये सब सर्च करने में बहुत टाइम लगता है. फिर आपने देखा है रोज शाम को हमारी मीटिंग भी होती है पेरेंट्स टीचर्स की, तो बहुत लेट हो जाता है.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है, तो आप अगर प्रॉब्लम है तो आप ऑनलाइन उसको सर्च करके चेक कर सकते हो. और डोंट वरी, द क्वेश्चन पेपर विल बी इजी. डोंट गेट वेरी पैनिक्ड. हाँ, ये है कि थोड़ा रिवीजन अच्छे से करना. और कोई भी डाउट है, अगर डाउट है तभी आप ऑनलाइन सर्च करोगे आंसर्स. यू हैव learncbsc.com also is there. बहुत अच्छी अच्छी साइट्स हैं. ओके. एंड क्वेश्चंस बहुत कम आपको डायरेक्ट वाले आएंगे, घुमा के ही आएंगे, ट्विस्ट करके आएंगे, जिससे पता चलेगा कि आपको चैप्टर समझ आया है कि नहीं. इसीलिए ये आंसर्स चेक करने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. ओके. अगर टाइम बचता है तो मैं आपको एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस भी दूंगी एंड में. एंड थोड़ा सा गूगल फॉर्म को भरने की आदत डालो, जो रिस्पॉन्स वाला होता है, गूगल टेस्ट हम लेते हैं जो, ठीक है, क्योंकि उसमें आपका गलत हो गया तो हो सकता है हम कुछ पार्ट रिटर्न लें और कुछ पार्ट गूगल वाला लें, तो उसकी प्रैक्टिस आपस में भी आप लोग कर सकते हो। Okay, I think 5 minutes are over. Shall I change the question? Shall we write another sample?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, see this question. This is also very interesting. Write an application to the
Yes,
principal
ma'am.
of your school to request him to open
No,
exam for clap.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute.
बेटा आप वीडियो ऑन करके देख लेना ना, फिर मेरी पीरियड खत्म हो जाएगा, मेरा दूसरा क्लास में पीरियड है 8th में। आप कभी भी यही वाला वीडियो जो हम रोज पोस्ट करते हैं उसमें इस जगह पे आके पॉज कर देना और आपको दिख जाएगा, ठीक है?
मैम यहाँ पे स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हैं।
हाँ, स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हैं। वेरी गुड। Others can start the second question.
मैम बट सेकंड क्वेश्चन डबल शीट में तो थोड़ा मतलब ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है।
नहीं बेटा, आप देखो ध्यान से, हो जाएगा।
मैम ये फॉर्मल लेटर है।
Ma'am, would will be, ma'am, Rose would will be in capital letter or small letter?
You can change the name school, you can write any school's name, or for now you do your practice of your own school's name na, matlab SSSVV itself you write. Instead of sir you can also write respected sir. These small changes you can do yourself. And date, you write today's dates.
मैम प्लीज स्क्रॉल।
अब बेटा इतना फास्ट मत लिखो।
मैम नीचे नीचे ऊपर ऊपर।
You want the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
जल्दी लिखो बेटा question, because others have gone into the body of the letter. Either you'll have a formal letter or you'll have an informal letter in the exam. Okay? तो एक चीज तो आपकी पक्का है कि लेटर राइटिंग ही आएगा रिटन पार्ट में।
मैम नीचे।
हाँ कर रहे बेटा। बेसिकली आपको फॉर्मेट आना चाहिए है, अंदर क्या लिखना है वो आपको सोच के लिखना है। इट शुड बी वेरी नीट। एवरी ईयर आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट इट शुड बी वेरी नीट विदाउट कट्स। तो वो प्रैक्टिस से ही होएगा, आप घर में बैठ के, और नेट पे आपको बहुत सारे सैंपल्स मिलेंगे एंड यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड।
वो थर्सडे होप दैट के बाद वो दिख नहीं रहा है।
वेट बेटा, अभी बच्चे ऊपर कर रहे हैं ना, मैं करती हूँ। बेसिकली मेरा ये करवाने का ये इंटेंशन है कि यू शुड कम टू नो द पॉलिश्ड लैंग्वेज दैट इज यूज्ड। रट्टा मत लगाना, उसको समझ के करो। कोई वर्ड मीनिंग नहीं मिलता, यू कैन आस्क मी और यू कैन चेक इट ऑन द नेट, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस। लाइक लैगिंग, लैगिंग का मतलब होता है पीछे रह गया। बिकॉज ऑफ दिस आवर स्कूल इज लैगिंग बिहाइंड, मतलब हमारा स्कूल बाकी स्कूल से पीछे हो गया है। एंड आप एक ही स्टाइल रखना, हियर इट इज फेथफुली योर्स, आप ये स्टाइल मत चेंज करो। राइट योर्स सिंसियरली, सिंपल। प्रिंसिपल को हमेशा योर्स सिंसियरली, और उसमें एस स्मॉल होगा सिंसियरली का। ओनली वाई विल बी कैपिटल। यस लक्ष्य?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of clutch?
Where is it?
Ma'am, ma'am, here it's not written.
Which line are you talking about?
Ma'am, I am just asking a word meaning. What is the meaning of clutch? I'm just curious.
Can you tell me in which paragraph? The bigger one or the smaller one?
Ma'am, it's not written here.
Okay. Then you write it in the chat box. When I come to the meet, then I'll tell you. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now it
ma'am.
is not visible to me.
मैम
Yes.
मैम स्कूल के जो नाम के बाद जो मतलब डेट लिखी है उसके लिए लाइन छोड़नी थी क्या?
हाँ, स्कूल का नाम लिख के हमेशा कोशिश करो एक चीज, जैसे वी हैव रिटन द रिसीवर्स एड्रेस के बाद एक लाइन छोड़ो, आदत डालो इस चीज की. देन यू राइट द डेट, देन यू लीव वन लाइन, देन यू राइट द व्हाट यू कॉल दिस वन, salutation, respected sir, then you leave one line, subject, leave one line, then you start this. ऐसे आदत में डाल लो आप, तो आपके हाथ में ना आदत हो जाएगी नीटनेस की.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Here also you don't have to write the designation. If in the question it is written that you are Rahul, the head boy of the student union, then you can write. Here also the mistake is there. Rahul is written, you're supposed to write the full name. Write your full name, even your surname. And here again you see Y is wrong. This Y should be small. Thanking you के बाद ये वाला Y.
Written, ma'am.
Okay. The ones who have written, I'm just giving you 2 minutes more. तो जिसका छूट जाता है वीडियो खोल के वापस नोट कर सकते हैं या स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो.
मैम बस
बेटा your voice is not coming clear.
मैम स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेंगे अगर आप स्क्रॉल.
आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा. Okay. Ritu, are you there? Ritu, am I audible? Radhika? Catherine, can you please read this letter once?
Yes,
From
ma'am.
subject.
Can I?
बेटा अभी ना हमको इस पे ध्यान नहीं देना कि हमको चांस मिल रही है कि नहीं. ठीक है, हमको जल्दी जल्दी करना है so that we have time for revision. Okay? आप सब मुझे equally प्यारे हो. Yes, start from subject.
Subject: request for computer lab. Body: we, the students of our school, would like to inform you that our school is one of the best schools in the district. But it is a matter of great regret that there is no computer club in our school. Because of this, our school is lagging behind. We are badly in need of this facility in order to keep pace with the present world. Undoubtedly, the present age is very competitive, communicative, and progressive. The time has come for us to prove our talent, and so we need the facility. Thus, we hope that you would be really kind enough to consider our problem and solve it as soon as possible.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, beta. Thank you, Catherine. Okay, now I'm closing this and I'm coming back to the meet. I'll have to take the attendance also. 1 second. Okay. Yes. Yes, Laksh. Well, just and okay. बाय द वे, आप लोग जो चैटिंग में लिखते हो वो मुझे दिखाई नहीं देता जब मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करती हूँ. ओके. एंड प्रणव, दिस इज ए फॉर्मल लेटर, नॉट ए इनफॉर्मल. इनफॉर्मल वो होता है जो हम अपने दोस्तों को लिखते हैं, फैमिली को लिखते हैं. ओके. एंड दिस इज फॉर्मल लेटर, जो एप्लीकेशंस होती हैं या किसी आप आई विल शो यू वन मोर वीडियो, आई हैव टाइम फॉर दैट. In that it is clearly given that what is the difference between formal and informal. Okay. Yes. 1 second. And I hope you're getting serious like this. What is like this, beta?
Ma'am, like this means I written there the name of school.
Okay. 1 second. I'm coming back to this. No. Sorry. Okay. Second. It's the same one.
Hello students, I welcome you all to English Academy. My name is Ruchika Gupta. Today we will discuss English writing skills, and a very important topic is letter writing. In class 9th and 10th, we have formal letter writing in the syllabus. So today we will discuss letter to the editor. We will discuss the format of letter to the editor, and then we will solve one example.
Actually, this is not there in your syllabus, letter to editor, so I'm not going to show you. Next year, I'll be doing this. I was checking one particular video which I showed yesterday. I'll check it in the drive once again. Wait.
You will marry exactly 2 months after that. Formal letter. First, we will understand.
See this video very carefully because here he's telling you the difference between formal and informal. जिनको शुरू से confusion होता है कि what is formal letter and what is informal, इस video को बहुत ध्यान से सुनो. Okay? He's talking very simple English.
What is an informal letter? Then we'll look into the format of an informal letter. And finally, we will understand this format with the help of an example. So without a further go, let's get started. Let's quickly revise what we already learned in our previous video. We understood about letter. So what is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another, generally via post. The primary purpose of a letter is communication in written form.
Same thing.
Then we looked into the types of letters. Letters are mainly divided into two types. First, formal letter, and second, informal letter. The formal letter is written for business or professional purposes with a specific objective in mind. It uses simple language that can be easy to read and interpret. Formal letters are written to government departments or businesses instead of a known individual. Now, let's understand when we use informal letter. The informal letter is written for personal communication. It uses casual or emotional tone. Informal letters are written to a friend or close family member instead of businesses. We have already learned the format of a formal letter with an example. I will provide you the link in the description in case you need it. You can watch that video after watching this video. In this video, we will understand the format and example of an informal letter. So how to write an informal letter? Let's first understand the format of an informal letter. An informal letter must have 6 things in it. Number 1, sender's detail. Here, the sender's name and the address copy.
we watched this.
This we have seen. Actually, I wanted to show you this particular slide in which the difference is clear. ये देखो यहाँ पर आपने कपड़े भी देखे होंगे. What they're wearing. They're wearing casual clothes. And here, if you see, he's wearing some of office clothes. जो ये party में पहनते coat, pant, and sari. That is a code over there, and that is a dress code over there, and that is why they wear it. Okay, like you people come to the school, you're wearing the school uniform. You don't wear house clothes over there. ठीक है, तो उससे आपको समझ आना चाहिए कि जो स्कूल की लेटर्स होती हैं दे कम अंडर फॉर्मल, एंड जो घर में हम अपने अपनों को करते हैं वो इनफॉर्मल. इसमें आप हाय, हाउ आर यू, such words also you can use. घर की भाषा यूज कर सकते हो. You can if you call your friend, घर में पप्पू बुलाते हो तो पप्पू के नाम से आप एड्रेस कर सकते हो. बट इन द ऑफिशियल वंस आप पप्पू अपू नहीं लिख सकते. ओके, so basically I wanted to show you this. We have seen this one. Okay, and this is already done. Okay, fine. So I'm back in the meet. Okay, next time what we'll do is next time what we'll do is we will all of you, I hope you're wearing your school uniform. We had a discussion with your parents also, and always if possible on the camera. Okay, next time I will be giving you samples of informal letter also. Okay, and it's time also. So be prepared. Ma'am, can we write instead of as soon as? No short forms and abbreviations and short forms are not allowed in letters. Okay, especially formal ones. Okay, even they say that if you're writing a leave for 4 days, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, number लिख लेते हैं 4. Actually, you're not supposed to write a number. You're supposed to write FOUR. Okay, is there any way to write a letter to a judge? 1 second, Laksh, तुम्हारा दिमाग ज़्यादा ही चलता है. Any way to write a letter to a judge, president, police chief? Yes, there is. All these are official letters. Okay, and that is why writing a letter to, even children write letters to prime ministers and all. Okay, you can check it on the net if you want. Okay, so it's time now, and bye. Take care. Start the revision, and format will be same almost.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Saira, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Saira, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Saira, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Saira, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.